Hi, homies, today we'll be eating vegetables. Hopefully don't worrying about it.
Bluey, my head hurts. Can't you give me medicine?
Ugh, fine. Have some medicine.
Back to what I'm saying today. We'll be eating vegetables.
But Bluey, you're too young to eat vegetables.
I'm not too young to eat veget.
Nope, I don't want to hear it.
Come on. Aren't you gonna say something or what?
Whatever, I'm just gonna eat veggies. Not you, asparagus.
But aren't you gonna eat something or what, or else I'm going to get out of here?
You really start to cook me up.